Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can resize a video in Canva from 16 by 9 to 9 by 16. So essentially a video that is wide like this, and I want to turn that into a vertical video that you could share on WhatsApp, Instagram, or TikTok, which is using the 9 by 16 image format. So I have this video and I want to just get this middle section, this woman in the middle. I don't need the rest of the background, so just something in the middle. So here's how you can do it. First, you have to use the 9 by 16 aspect ratio. You can also resize the document. For example, this is a 16 by 9 document presentation. I'm going to convert that into let's visit the social media, and I'm going to use Instagram story format because the resolution is the opposite of rectangular, so it is vertical. I'm going to just resize this design and just wait until Canva doing its magic to try to figure out what the video or what the design should look like. And after that, you can click resize this design and just wait until it finishes. It will open this new page. Okay, it looks pretty good. And now, as you can see, it automatically understands that it just resized this video immediately, so it's really good. But of course, you can always customize on which part of the video that you want to show. So to do that, you can double click and you can essentially slide it to the left or to the right to make sure that the subject is visible, and you can click done. Okay, that is the result. I think that is good enough. So yeah, that's how you can do it. And after that, you can share the video, you can download, you can share to your social media account, and yeah, that's basically it. So that's how you can resize a Canva video for Instagram, TikTok, or WhatsApp. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.